If you can't stand the heat, it's time to get out of the kitchen. And if the connectors in your vehicle can't stand the heat, well then it's time to check out the Molex MX150 Connectors. The field-proven sealed connector system offers a superior operating temperature with a range of -40 to 150 degrees Celsius. Rated up to 22 amps, the MX150 form factor delivers lightweight wiring for a maximum operating voltage of up to 60 volts and a minimum dielectric withstanding voltage of 1000 volts. The pre-assembled terminal position assurance housing, connector position assurance, and grommet cap ensure a proper connector alignment for reliable termination in harsh environments susceptible to vibration, moisture, and chemicals. With the USCAR interface and multiple extension options, the MX150 connector is made compatible across the automotive industry as well as industrial automation.